Hi, welcome back. Here is another video guitar lesson. My name is Danny Oaks and we're going to cover harmonics today. Natural harmonics first, and the next time I will do artificial harmonics. A natural harmonic is when the string sounds on both sides of your finger. So fret 12 is the easiest place to sound harmonics on the guitar. You can also get them on 7 and 5. There are other places as well. 12 is exactly halfway between the nut and the bridge saddles on a guitar. So that's the middle point. It's the same notes as your open strings. And also when you do the harmonic on 12, those pitches are exactly the same as the notes that you would get if you fretted those notes. Same octave and everything. When you go to fret 7, you're actually getting different letter names than the open strings. So that's actually a B, an E, an A, a D, an F sharp, and a B. So fret 7 gives you the harmonics give you the letter name, but in a higher octave than what your open or your fret 7 notes are. So B, E, A, D, F sharp, B. When I go to fret 5, I can actually get the same octave notes as my open strings, or not the same octave, the same pitches. My open strings, E, A, D, G, B, E. Fret 12, E, A, D, G, B, E. Fret 5, E, A, D, G, B, E. But those are in different octaves, so these are all in a lower octave. These are 1 octave higher. And these are 1 octave higher than that. Some people have 24 fret guitars. If you had a 24 fret guitar, you could get them there as well. Should be somewhere around the pole pieces on a Les Paul, on the pickup, on the humbucking pickup that's closest to the neck there. So these pitches are identical to those that you can get on fret 5. So that's where like Joe Satriani will play those and make a face and use his whammy bar, which is cool. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is that you can get a triad in harmonics on any string by doing 5, 4, and then 3 plus about a quarter. So those 3 pitches make an E triad, E, G sharp, B. And then the next string. It's very hard to get some of those. A little easier with a little bit more gain on the guitar. There it is. Sometimes you gotta search a little for those harder to find ones. Going more by the sound and the feel than the actual placement of the finger. That one's the hardest one to get. If I turn the drive up to a more rock and metal type sound, we can definitely get that a little easier. That's an obnoxious sound though. Well, that's an auto that's not helping. Let's go to reverb. Yeah, so there's some fun harmonic things that you can do. Next time we will cover artificial harmonics, and another time we'll cover pinch harmonics or pick squeals. So that's another thing that works kind of in a more rock setting. Let me get to a different setting than that. So those are pick squeals or pinch harmonics. All right, artificial harmonics. I'm just going to give you a preface to that. You can form a harmonic from any fretted note. So for example, if I have a C chord here, I'm still in overdrive, but so what I'm doing is I form the harmonic with one finger. In other words, this is 12 frets above my fretted note there. So this is fret 3, 3 plus 12 is 15, so I'm here on 15. And I put my finger directly over the metal, over the fret itself, not in between the frets where your fingers normally go. And then underneath here I pick with my thumb. Some people will use their pick as well, so you could pick with the pick right there, then so I'm basically outlining the chord here. So this is 15, 14, 12, 13, 12. And you can even play scales with artificial harmonics as well. So we'll cover that a little more another time. And then there's also tap harmonics, which are, you know, basically the same thing as the artificial harmonics, except you tap your finger down. So a lot of times when I'm tapping, I'll put my thumb on top of the neck, and then I lightly touch right where that note 1 octave higher would be, and I let my finger bounce like a basketball off of the string, so just bounce. Next one is 14 on the 4th string, 12 on the 3rd string, 13 on the 2nd string, 12 on the 1st string. There we go. Alright, so that was a little exploration into harmonics on the guitar. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.